Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and today I will tell you how you can schedule a meeting for always. Meeting for always means suppose you want to take a meeting daily, means every day and week or whole month, so you can schedule meeting at once and that will be work for whole month or whole year. How many days you want to set in that particular meeting you can set. So I will tell you how you can do this. Only one condition is required. Meeting should be at same time. Means suppose today you have taken a meeting at 10 to 11, so tomorrow that will be 10 to 11, a day after tomorrow that will be 10 to 11. So by using single link or single schedule, you can schedule the meeting for a whole year. So here I am going to tell you how you can do this. And suppose if you want to schedule that meeting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then also you can do this. So let me tell you how you can do this. So this is basically calendar. So as we know, whenever you want to schedule a meeting, basically we click on this icon, and here basically we write title, so just meeting, okay, and okay, here you can see when you want to schedule. So basically here we provide a date and here we provide time, okay. So here you can see the option all day. If you want to schedule this meeting all day, you know what happen, this meeting will schedule all day at same time, whatever time we will, if you select all day means that meeting is scheduled for all day, means Thursday all day you can take meeting, okay. And if you want to repeat this meeting, so here you can select the date. Weekly on Thursday means every Thursday that link will be work, means your meeting will be scheduled for every Thursday. And if you want to schedule on monthly on the second Thursday, so every month it will be scheduled on second Thursday. Annually on January 14 means every year on this day you want to take this meeting, so also this is possible. Only you have to select this option. And every weekdays means Monday to Friday, if you want to take this meeting, so you can select Monday to Friday, and one single link will work for every meeting and your meeting will be scheduled in advance, okay. Here we have a custom, okay. Now here you can select, suppose you want to take this meeting every day on same time, so here you can select all the date, and here on which date you want to start, so only you have to provide the date. Yes, from this date I want to do this, and till hand, then you have to, okay, provide all the information. So basically this is the idea. By using this you can schedule meeting in advance for whole year, for every year. Only you have to work on your requirement. As per requirement you can schedule it. So basically whenever you are going to create any meeting or any schedule, so there are many options, and just look at this option and you can find it suitable. Otherwise, if you want to provide your information, then you have to select custom. So this is all about how to schedule meeting in advance. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.